बोल। हाँ हाँ बोल। ओके सही। Hello, very good morning to one and all. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So, very good morning to one and all on behalf of Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture and Scientific Jugaad Fund. I welcome you all to the session. So, today we have with us one college which is Sir Vishweshwarya College. So, I welcome all the students and Sir Vishweshwarya Institute of Technology, Chinsoli, Nashik. So I welcome all the students and I welcome Kailas Tambe sir. So a very good morning to all the students and the faculties present here. So Kailas sir, I made you the co-host of the session, and at the end I would request you to kindly give in the vote of thanks.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
yes, yes, yes. Our mentors will be joining us soon. So yes, till then let me just give you an introduction and let me talk about the session guidelines. All the students will be put on mute. The participants will not be allowed to unmute or talk during the session. So I request all to make sure that whatever queries, questions you have, you put it on the chat box. Secondly, at times there might be an internet or audio issue. So in such cases, kindly wait for a few seconds. The audio will get back to normal. Till then, I would request all to please be patient. And please always check the internet connection from your end. And I also hope English language is comfortable for all the students. Please give a thumbs up in the chat box if English language is okay for all the students. Yes, okay, okay, okay. Thank you all. Thank you for the response. And I request all the participants to keep their video off, just to save the bandwidth and so that everybody can hear clearly. And today's session will be divided into two parts. The first part will be taken by our first mentor, Mrs. Archana Lalge. Archana Lalge ma'am is the voice is slow. If the voice is slow, kindly connect to earphones or check your internet connection as I was saying. Because I'm audible to almost everyone else except you. So please connect to your phone and make sure the volume is high. So yes, as you can see, the session is divided into two parts. The first part being taken by our first mentor, Mrs. Archana Lalke ma'am. She is the head mentor at Scientific Jugaad Funda, and she has also an experience in industry as well as academia, and she leads the content development and content management team at Scientific Jugaad Funda. The second mentor that we have for today is Mrs. Sonali Gadre ma'am. So who has 22 years of experience. And just a minute, I'll just share my screen again as someone was scribbling on it. Yeah. So Mrs. Sonali Gadre ma'am, who has 22 years of experience when it comes to architecture, interior designing, mentoring, networking, graphics, research, and she is well known for her oratory and presentation skills. So we will soon be interacting with both our mentors. Yeah, whenever you scribble on the screen, we can see who's scribbling, and it will be my responsibility that I kick the person out of the meeting. So, in case you're removed from the meeting, don't be surprised. Um, yes. So it is exactly 9:11, and before we start this particular meeting, yes. So I request all the students to please kindly wait as both of our mentors will be joining in, and I hope all the sessions and all the guidelines and everything is clear to all the students. So our first mentor, Mrs. Archana ma'am. So she has joined in the meeting. So Archana ma'am, I'm making you the co-host. Yes. So yes, Archana ma'am, is the poll active from your end? If we can launch the poll and then give the introduction. Is the poll active from your end? As I'm not able to launch the poll.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
Archana ma'am, you there?
yes, Renuka, I will be launching the poll. No worries.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Hello, am
So,
I audible, Renuka?
ma'am, I hand over the meeting to you, and I hope the poll is active from your end.
Yes, yes. Just a moment. Yes, I
Yeah.
will be activating from my side. And hello,
Yes, ma'am.
our second mentor will be joining soon by 9:15
Okay, okay, ma'am. So no
He
worries.
informed
So,
me in the
ma'am,
morning.
I hand over the session to you. The today's college that we have is Sir Vishweshwarya Institute of Technology, and Kailash Tambe sir, who is the faculty member, is already present here, and I've already made him the co-host.
Okay, okay.
So, ma'am,
So I will launch the poll. Is it
yes,
visible to all
uh,
of you?
students, please give a thumbs up if the poll is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So, students, I
Okay.
request you to kindly participate in the poll, as the poll will earn you a certificate. And, ma'am, I hand over this particular session to you, and I'm making you the host of this particular session.
Okay, okay. No worries. Okay, so our second host, Mrs. Sonali Gandri ma'am, she has also joined in. And before starting with our session, I will just take all the students through this poll. What is the objective of this poll? So the objective of this poll is just we want to understand the state of mind of our youth, of our today's participants. So just we wanted to know how eager they are, or how serious they are about their career. So few questions, that is 9 questions are there. So we are just I will just take you through these questions. Okay. So first point is about my time and money of my parent is important for me. It is our family investment for good future. So here we just wanted to understand how serious the students are about their education, and do they really they are looking for return on investment in terms of time as well as in terms of money. The purpose of investment in education is I want to get good job or I want to start my own business. So here we just wanted to know that whatever the participants are there, so how many of they are willing to start with their own business, or how many of are willing to go for a job as a first career option. I have searched history of more than 50 students who have done similar education in past 5 years. I know what they are doing today and how they are earning. I know what I want to become. So this is to understand that while taking admission for engineering, while taking admission for various disciplines, it may be computers, electronics, electrical, mechanical. So have you done your homework before taking the admission? Have you studied? Have you understood that where you will be standing after 4 to 5 years? Okay. So I have so if you have done this, if you have surveyed for more than 50 students, then very good. But if you have not done, then you should do it. It is not too late. You are in first year, so you should understand the objective of your education, of your curriculum, whatever you are going to take for. I know how exactly my core study lecture is going to help me to become what I want. So this is just to understand that whatever the discipline you have taken for, you have a clear idea about what you are going to study, what knowledge you are going to gain through that graduation. My theoretical knowledge and degree certificate is enough to either start a business or get good job. Every student with degree certificate gets immediate job or can start business. So here we just wanted to understand the mindset of the students. Are they in a dream that yes, Renuka, I know that the meeting recording is getting on your and also I have started from my end, so no worries about the recording. My theoretical knowledge and degree certificate is enough to either start a business or get good job. Every student